Good morning, sunshine. What a happy day on the farm. Pitter, patter, go my happy feet. Look, it's Grandpa. Let's go together. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Off we go to see the animals. Crunch, crunch for the piggy. Oink, oink. Hee-hee, so friendly. Boop. Here comes Grandpa with more. Waddle, waddle. Let's feed the fluffy sheep. Your wool is so soft. Pat, pat, pat. Time to go. Let's lead the way. Rattle, rattle. Seeds for the gentle cow. Boop. Your nose is so soft and wet, Mrs. Cow. Uh-oh. A piece of broccoli fell down. Plop. Here comes the horse with a clippity-clop, clippity-clop. A crunchy carrot for a happy horse. Neigh, crunch, crunch. Look at all our happy animal friends. Let's go outside. March, march, march. Time to feed the little duckies by the pond. Splish, splash. For the duckies, nibble, nibble, quack, quack, quack. All our friends are here. What a happy family. Now for the chickens and ducks. Buck, buck, quack, quack. Let's fly. Whoosh, whoosh. Up, up, up to the roof they go. Everyone is walking together. Trot, trot, waddle, waddle. Hello, Mr. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh no, Grandpa is feeling dizzy. Wibble wobble. A fun, silly day on the farm. Hugs for Grandpa.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Slow it down with the happy side. All the friends on the farm say thank you, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, look at all the giant surprise eggs. Here come our friends with magic hammers. Thump, thump. First up, the big red egg. Smash, kaboom! It's a shiny red fire truck. Look at the ladder and flashing lights. Whew, whew. Let's go on a rescue mission. Whoosh. Oh no, a fire. Let's put it out. Psst. Hooray, we saved the day. Now for the blue egg with stars. Crack, a super fast police car. Vroom, vroom. This police car looks so cool. Officer on duty, patrolling the city. Uh-oh, a robber is on the loose. I see him. Let's get him. Nina, Nina. Gotcha! The city is safe now. What's inside the big yellow egg? Wow, a mighty yellow excavator. All right, it's fun construction time. Driving through the construction zone, rumble, rumble. Scooping and digging, so busy, busy, busy. Mission accomplished. Great job. It's time for the green surprise egg. It's a big green farm tractor. All right, let's go to the farm. Driving the tractor to the fields. Chugga chugga vroom. Plowing the fields to grow yummy food. Hooray! A wonderful harvest. What an amazing day of surprises. Awesome.
Wow, wow, surprise eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4 toys. Wow, wow, surprise eggs. Let's smash and make some noise. Red egg, big and round, smash. Look what I found. Fire truck, light so bright. Wee woo, save the night. Blue egg with shiny stars. Crack, vroom, vroom. Here comes the cars. Police car, fast and cool. Nino, Nino, guard the school. Yellow egg, what's inside? Smash, rumble, rumble. Let's take a ride. Excavator, dig all day. Scoop, 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 hooray. Green egg, let's go see. Crack, chugga, chugga. Come with me. Big green tractor, work the land. Plow, 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 isn't it grand? Wow, wow, surprise eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4 toys. Wow, wow, surprise eggs. What a day, hooray! Yay!
Wow, a fun bus ride with Grandpa. Oh, what's on the phone? Look, the town is so pretty. Let's see who we need to find. Here comes the school bus. The traffic light is green. Let's go. Stop! The chicken family is crossing. They safely crossed the road. Yay! Whee! The bus ride is so exciting. Moo! A cow is waiting for the bus. Welcome aboard, Mrs. Cow. We found the cow. Check. The bus goes around and around. Bah! A sleepy black sheep is here. Let's help our fluffy friend get on. Let's write down we found the sheep. Oink! Oink! A cute little pig is waiting. Come on, Piggy. Hop on the bus. We found the pig. Let's check the list. Neigh! It's a strong and beautiful horse. Welcome, horsey. Let's go together. Great! We found the horse too. All our animal friends are on the bus. We're here. This is the animal hospital. Everyone, let's get off the bus. The kind doctor will take care of our friends. Bye-bye.
The big yellow bus drives through the town, through the town, through the town. The big yellow bus drives through the town to pick our animal friends up. The cow on the bus goes moo, 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 moo. The cow on the bus goes moo, moo, moo. sheep on the bus goes ba 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 as we drive through the town. The big yellow bus drives through the town, through the town, through the town. The big yellow bus drives through the town to pick our animal friends up. The pig on the bus goes oink, 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 oink. The pig on the bus goes oink, oink, oink as we drive through the town. The horse on the bus goes neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the bus goes neigh, neigh, neigh as we drive through the town. All the friends are safe inside, going for a happy ride. Off to see the doctor now, neigh and oink and ba and moo.